Hey traders, TG Watkins. It is August 29th when I'm recording this, and we have a 3-day weekend coming up. So Labor Day is on Monday. Markets are going to be closed, so if you're at your computer and it's looking awfully quiet, that might be the reason. We are also running a special. We have 30% off most things in our store, so if you guys are interested, come on over to simplertrading.com and check it out. So the NVDA earnings came and went. A lot of hype. And there's kind of a muted response, kind of already the direction that this was going, as we can see that a lot of stocks, after they managed to run up from the carry trade low, the Japanese yen carry trade low, they started to run into some previous resistance and just couldn't quite push through. And you can see here that NVIDIA continued to stay underneath some of these moving averages and just kind of continue to sag. So really not much going on there. But then we had some economic data. We had some jobless claims come out and housing starts. And then we also had, what else was it? We had GDP, second quarter GDP estimates, and the market seemed to respond to that. So you can see here the S&P is up, which is what we've generally been looking for. We knew that the market was very overbought up and through here, and also running into some previous resistance. And it's kind of like a game of whack-a-mole. Who wants to stick their head up there first? Nobody really wants to be the first one. So what the market's going to do is go sideways, maybe a little bit down, to kind of consolidate, build up some strength, and then if it's going to go up, it'll push through. So we just need to make sure that that's going to happen. And for now, double bottom right through there. We'll have to see if that's enough. It may not be. And what I'm kind of looking at is we have price below the 50 and the Moxie indicator above 0. So I would like to see this as some bullish resolution, but we're going to have to continue to get that to confirm. Right now, the market is up, but again, today, I don't know if you got to think about it. We have tomorrow, which is Friday, and then we have a long 3-day weekend. So who's going to want to be up here and sticking their neck out on a Friday going into a 3-day weekend? So we really might just kind of chill out, go sideways. There was a little bit of a grind higher, just not too much of an opportunity. I'd still like to see if we can get a pullback in through here. So it could just be kind of a muted, a couple days into the weekend because of the holiday weekend, and nobody really wanting to push through and make new highs. Now it could change, we'll have to see, but that's kind of where I'm thinking that it might be. Other than that, we are seeing some areas of strength. So once again, IWM looking nice, coming back up. I do think that this is generally in an uptrend, so I'm kind of leaning towards the idea of interest rate cuts being bullish for the market, especially for the small caps. And we have generally been seeing that here, and a little bit of a jump up there, pull back into support, and we'll see if we can keep running up a little bit. I was also looking at XBI, so this is kind of that biotech space, and this continues to look pretty strong. In fact, if you look at it, there's a nice little flag right there, isn't it? And now we're up again. So yeah, I would be generally leaning bullish on these things. So you can see even here, it's right, just kind of like the SPY, it's just right there trying to break out. I don't know if it's going to do it today or tomorrow, or they're going to wait till a fresh week after the 3-day weekend. So, but everything seems to just be knocking on that door and wanting to move to the higher side. So that's kind of where my bias is going to be, despite whatever happened with NVIDIA. So hopefully that helps you guys. Remember, we're running some coupons and some specials over at simplertrading.com. You guys enjoy your long 3-day Labor Day weekend, and we'll see you next week. Take care. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.